In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Pinterest account public. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So, the first thing you want to do is open up your Pinterest application. Then what you want to do is tap on the gear or cog icon. So obviously I'm right here in home, but I can go to saved and then tap the gear or cog icon on my profile layout. Once I'm here, select privacy and data from the main settings area. So that's going to be right there. Now, once you're within privacy and data, all you want to do is locate the toggle row labeled search privacy. And then once you find search privacy, all you want to go ahead and do is turn the switch off. And when search privacy is turned on, it blocks search engines from indexing your profile. So turning it off allows your profile and public boards to show up properly. And yeah, you can also use info from sites you visit or anything like that, but it's up to you. You can also use your data as well, or just go over to profile visibility. And if you're a private profile currently, just go ahead and turn off your private profile off, and also search privacy again, have that off as well. And then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.